Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Smart Video Door Phone. This intercom system is for a 2-unit apartment. There are systems for 3-unit apartments and 4-unit apartments. In future, we're going to have 5, 6, 7, and 8-unit systems. So today, we're going to show you how to unbox the package and show you what is inside. The first thing you'll see is the user manual, which will show you how to use the GBF PMS web portal and how to manage your tenant information. With this web portal, you can see the records of who has come and gone and how to set up the system. And it also shows you wiring diagrams, how to wire to the door striker, the magnetic lock, and the gate opener, etc. In the package, you will also have a 12-volt DC adapter to directly power the system. Also enclosed is a wiring harness. These are 2 locking connectors, and this 5-pin connector is for locking, and also there are mounting screws. The station itself is a strong system, made of strengthened aluminum. The faceplate for the 2 units seen here, with a housing of stainless steel. So you mount the 4 screws to the wall for the housing unit cover, which is very strong and very heavy. It will last many years through all types of weather. For the intercom itself, here is the LED light for night vision. This is the HD 1080p camera, and this is the speaker. This unit has 2 call buttons with a smart keypad. Everything is controlled by the DoorDear app. There's no setup needed on site. Look at the back, and you will see the JD number label and the ID number, and the wiring terminal with power. And lock 1 and lock 2. This is the Internet ID 45 cable connect. This is the reset button. Below is the unlocking switch, which has 2 options. One is the 1 second and the other is the 5 seconds. For the door striker, for the left side on position is for 5 seconds. For the gate opener, you only need a 1 second. So you just put the switch to the right. That will keep the 1 secure and to send a signal. You can power the system with the PoE connection. And you can see that there is now power. The next step is to open the DoorDear app, which you can download from the App Store. When you log in, you will see the camera right away. You can access the gate and unlock it. You will see the system online, and this shows the building name and the unit number. And the unit number which you are in. This is the keypad feature, so you can generate and create codes for visitors. Adding the visitor name, adding the code name, you can set up a 1-week code, a 10-year code, different days code, and you can repeat this process as well. You can delete the code, then the code is gone. The second icon is the play history. You have a 7-day cloud history, so you can review missing calls, and if you want to check on past calls. and with the app you can check. This is the settings page with the device name, the device status. This shows your system ID number, and the code page, and the cloud service. You can share access with others. Here we have it shared with 2 persons, and you can add 4 or 5 different people. Just add their DoorDear email address. You can then confirm that they will be able to access the system the same as you. Another feature of this system is that you can work with an indoor monitor. This indoor monitor is connected by Wi-Fi with a wireless connection. All you need is the power for this indoor monitor and connect it to the system through your phone. You can combine this monitor with your outdoor station remotely. Thank you for watching this unboxing video from GBF Electronics.